Alright guys, welcome back to Lime with Link. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick series on making some healthier options with less calories so that way we do some of this belly fat. But the sun's out, guns out, let's get right into this food, okay?
Impossible to actually start even closer to the I got the fire on the double. I got the fire on the double. I done gal with the ass with the bubble. I got the fire on the doubles.
Today on Lime with Link, we're going to be making a chicken breast that I've soaked in some natural orange juice. The citrus is going to really help tenderize that meat. Don't do it for too long because you can over break down the chicken breast. This is so simple, you're going to laugh, but I promise you, it's so delicious. Alright, so here's the chicken breast. Let's put some salt, pepper, paprika, curry powder, and about a half tablespoon of some honey. Now, let's take our hands and rub this thing together. Hit the next side with the same ingredients. Just pinches. No measurements for this one. Pinches. Try to get it under the skin. Rub it up as best as you can. Last but not least, some thyme. Okay, so all we did here is put a tablespoon of olive oil into the pan. And what we're going to do is use the same pan to cook the chicken and the vegetables so that way we get the flavor into it. Alright, so what we're going to do first is season our pot with some onion, garlic, and thyme. The simplest things taste the best, guys. Okay, so now that we caramelize these ingredients and seasoned our pot, what we're going to do is add the chicken. What I like to do is put the skin down first. That's going to give the skin a really nice crisp before turning it over. You don't want to add any water yet, but we're going to add some just now. We want to first of all make sure we get that crisp on the bottom of the skin, then we're going to add a touch of water. Look at that. Look at that beautiful crisp. Now we're going to add a touch of water. It smells phenomenal and I can't wait for you guys to try this at home. Make sure you soak the chicken breast in some acidic fruit because that way We're gonna really tenderize that chicken. There you go. Just turn it around. Touch more water. Okay, the chicken is not quite done yet. I want to remove it. I'll show you exactly how we're going to finish this thing up in a second. So we have here, we want to put the rest of the onions inside. A half tablespoon of honey now. Give that onions a nice caramelized sweetness. In with the rest of the vegetables. Check this thing out, man. I don't know what else to say. It looks phenomenal, it smells phenomenal, and I can't wait to try it. And for you guys to try it at home. Okay, so what I want to do now, lay the chicken on top of that beautiful vegetables. Cover it. We're gonna let it steam. Turn off the fire. We're gonna let it steam now for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're gonna drop it into the oven for the remainder 5 more minutes, and we're done, guys. What a simple and wholesome meal. If you guys do this with me, we can all lose our belly fat, yes? Together, we'll be ready for Miami Carnival. Let's get ready to put this into the oven, and I'll see you all in 10 minutes when we'll be showing off, like normal Lime with Link fashion, how amazing, simple ingredients can make wicked food. I'll see you next time on Lime with Link.